months later, when it came time to do the inspection, it cost $1,500 to redo the brakes, control arms, struts, half the damn car. So that $1,000 car became a $2,500 car, and let's face it, $2,500 for a 15-year-old Mercedes, that's about par, so we didn't really make any, we didn't get a good deal there. Except for the fact that we sold that thing for $3 grand, so we're up $500 bucks. Which means that we've got $500 to spend for another car. And we've looked at getting just a typical roadworthy car. We've looked at getting a luxury car. We've looked at getting an old muscle car. But today, we're going to figure out, can you buy a fun car for $500? Let's see. Have a 2002 Saturn SL1 sedan. The first thing you're going to notice, it's kind of an ugly car. Second thing you're going to notice is it's dirty as hell. Bird shit, not included with the price. We had to find our own birds, so that doesn't factor in to the $500. You'll also notice it doesn't have any hubcaps. And you're probably thinking, well, for $500 you couldn't get a hubcap? That seems a little expensive. Aha! It came with one hubcap. So for $500 you can get a Saturn with one hubcap. You want all 4 hubcaps? You're looking at like $1 grand just for that. But yeah, here it is, a $500 car. Now, it's small, it has very little sense of style, it's only a 4-banger, and barely even fits that 4-banger to begin with. It doesn't have hubcaps, the AC doesn't work, it's cramped, and frankly, I don't actually fit in it very well. So you must be wondering, why in the hell would I buy such a car? I had a Mercedes just the other day. Well, this car was single, elderly woman owned its whole life. It only has 140,000 kilometers on it. And it came with a brand new set, still with the packaging on them, winter tires, valued at $400. Which means that this isn't a $500 car. This is a $100 car. So we got an entire car, road legal for 7 months, for only $100. That's a pretty good deal. Now this car did come with a few extra things. It's got a CB and a megaphone. That works. It's got working parking brake. Unfortunately, that's pretty much all it has that's good. For instance, I'm not a car expert, but that doesn't exactly seem to be normal. So I'm willing to bet if I had a screwdriver, I could probably start the car with a screwdriver. But it's got a nice little light to warn you that the lights aren't on. That's always helpful. Now, this car does have some saving graces. I mentioned the parking brake and the radio. This car is old enough that disabling the daytime running lights is not a complicated task. All you have to do is pop the hood, and there's a single fuse, pull it out, and now you have manual lights the way a car is supposed to. But yes, now, driving this car, there's a few things you're going to have to work around. For instance, driving this car in public, you're going to have a strong desire to cover your face so that other people can't see you driving this piece of shit. Unfortunately, you're going to have to resist that because that's going to cause a crash. So, once you get over the fact that, well, you're embarrassed to be in this car, the radio only plays out one speaker, not all the windows work, it doesn't have an armrest, or a place to put most of your shit, and the gearbox starts in 2 because I guess it doesn't think you're intelligent enough to get from first into second. So all of this adds up, and you're wondering, Zach, yes, the car was only $100. Yes, $100 is cheap for a car, but in what way is this car fun? To which, the only thing I can really tell you is, no car is truly fun until you've had a montage.
Oh, well, so you may be able to buy a fun car. You won't necessarily be allowed to have fun with it.